Item 1 for motion.
In this case, Lordship directed to produce the status report, madam. Yes, my lord, they have sent the documents for FSL, my lord.
But some more time.
No, my lord.
It stated that these documents had been sent for SFL and some further time will be required for an updated status.
CD is
They
here,
allowed this after 2 weeks.
my lord, on this.
Item 2.
Maybe fix it, date it up.
My lord, in this case, there is shifting from Monacosa to Buduchor.
We want to produce Mr. A.R. Sigdal and counsel for the petitioner seek for some time to explore the availability of any material to support the shifting from village.
From Monacosa to
Monacosa to what job?
Monacosa to Buduchor.
Buduchar.
Item 3.
Iya, jadi saya kau tahu kali kau lagi ni apa? Kau tu mana dan kali tu mana yang kalau itu kan naik. Saya lagi udah dia sampai sampai berikan. Kita apa? Kita kiri mana tu? Macam polisi saya ni polisi dia boleh di mana?
Initially, your lordship directed me
It may
to.
show that DW Sanmia is the son of Sultan Ria.
Yes, my lord. And Protest 96, that is, he is from Kandarika Oil. Now at Bolosmari. So, we are trying to get some documents and DW, but we are
On
trying
some more
to-
time.
More time.
Mr. Rashid Lankau petitioner seeks for some further time to provide the material as required by the order of 15/5/2023.
Item 4.
Yes, item
Repeat,
4.
Lordship,
What did you
further 2 weeks times required to file.
Oh, here
our
already
application.
taken further time.
Lordship.
This is the second further time.
Yes, Lordship. 2 weeks.
This is for time produced in your name.
B Burman.
B
MS
for one, the petitioner pays for some further time to produce the materials as required by the order of 22/6/2023.
Item 5.
Five years. Produce which may show that Sajiram Nessa wife on Nazar of the 85 herself is in citizen.
Her voters list along with her husband is there. Today we can,
You got it?
yes, Lordship, 75 voters list, same village. And along with the son, DW2.
Where is that 85 list?
85 is at page Lordship. 85 is at page 94 Lordship.
94. 65 Nazar Sheikh.
Yes, Nazar Sheikh. Kasiran is the stepmother.
Nazar
65.
Sheikh, 90 Nazar Sheikh Sasiran, 70,
Nazar Sheikh
then
Kasiran.
94 Bumja Pathar, same place, Bumja Pathar, 85 Sajiran Nessa, that is the wife of Nazar.
Nazar, and in 75, which we have now.
No,
submitted.
no, now who is the petitioner?
Petitioner is Hajera Khatun,
Hajira is daughter of
Nazar,
Nazar.
and Abdul Hassan.
So how do you prove that?
Yes,
Hajira-
the Lordship Abdul Hassan Abdul Hassan, he has adduced evidence, Lordship.
Abdul Hassan is son of Nazar.
Yes.
Petitioner relies upon the voters list of 1965
And
of
his
village
evidence
Bunmoja Pathar, contains a name of Nazar Sheikh, son of Fazar at serial 162 and Tasiran as a wife of Nazar at 163. It is claimed that Nazar Sheikh is the father while Tasiran Nessa is the stepmother. The 1970 voters list also contains the same information. The 85 voters list of Bunmoja Pathar contains the name of Abdul Hassan, son of Nazar, and Naziran Nessa, son of Nazar, the wife of Nazar, who is 65 years. It is stated that the petitioner, Hazira Khatun, is the daughter of Naziran Nessa and Abdul Nazar. Abdul Hassan, son of Nazar, whose name appears in voters till 1985, divorced at DW.
Two, Lordship, page 68.
That the Hazira Khatun is the daughter of Naziran Nessa and so and so.
Interest.
Item 6.
Kamal Shah, petitioner shows Kitab Sai of 1966 and the writ petitioner Kamal Shah are one and the same person.
Lordship, actually, Kitab Sai is the father of the petitioner, Lordship,
Not the petitioner.
not the petitioner, Lordship.
Then what did you say Kitab Sai is?
Lordship, I have stated the Lordship. because
Now, who is the petitioner? Kamal Shah.
Kamal Shah, Lordship.
Very well. Now, which document will show
Lordship,
that Kitab Sai is the father?
Lordship, in the voter list, Lordship, of 1966, annexure 5, page 33, Lordship. Here, Kitab Sai, the name of the Kitab Sai, and his father Karim Baksh Sai is there, Lordship. And the name of the Kitab Sai, Lordship, is again at the land revenue receipt at page 31, Lordship.
No, Kitab Sai is okay. Which document will show that Kamal Shah is the son of Kitab Sai?
Yes, Lordship, I am coming to that point, Lordship.
Please come fast, straight away.
And you can, Lordship, evidence at page 22. He himself
22.
deposed, Lordship.
Deposition of Kamal Shah is his own evidence. No, well,
Yes.
next,
They were evidence on oath, Lordship, that
maybe.
here,
We are
Lordship,
not interpreting the meaning of word, but it is his own statement.
yes, and even at the PR
Any other
Yes,
material
Lordship.
which show,
at page number 43 is the
43.
PRC. Lordship.
what is 43?
43 is the PRC, Lordship,
PRC, what is PRC?
permanent residence certificate. Here, Kamal Shah, father late Kitab Sai, Lordship.
Government of Bihar,
Yes,
PRC, this is, we don't rely on all this.
And even this document is verified in page number 45, that is annexure 8, Lordship.
Who had issued this?
Government of Bihar, Lordship.
Saran district is one of the application name commercial.
45, Lord.
No, these are not relevant material under the Evidence Act. Government of Bihar, Form 30, name of office, district Saran, residency proof. This is to certify that Kamal Shah and father late Kitab Shah village Sutihar. Now, which voters list you relied on just now? Page number?
Voter list, page 33, Lord.
33. Which is a voters list of which place?
This is a voter list of 1966,
Village Sutihar.
Sutihar,
Shahpur.
district Saran, at state of Bihar, Lord.
Translated certified copy. Where is the certified copy?
34, Lord. Here, Kitab Sai, Karim Baksh Sai, and Kayamu Sai also there below.
Who had certified this?
It is-
Government of Bihar.
Yes, Lord.
Who is the custodian of voters list? Election Commission or Government of Bihar?
Election Commission Lordship.
Where is Mr. Ali? Not come today. Saturday. Huh?
Of the record, madam, he has informed me that he has got the Kolkata report fixed.
What?
Fixed method.
Fixed method, he is Secretary of. Very.
What matter? Some
fixed
fixed matter. Okay. But is it acceptable? Page 34, just look
No
at it.
Lordship.
Voter list to government রাখা দেখা নাই এতিয়ালৈ। Election Commission. But that is under control of the Election Commission. Deputy Commission officer থাকে election branch. Custodian তো নহয় সিহঁতে। Who is the custodian of voters list? Election Commission or Government of Bihar?
Election Commission.
Election Commission. Then how can Government of Bihar issue a certified copy? Certified copy, I think, can be issued only by the authority who is the custodian of the records. Public, of that public record. And then again, this Government of Bihar. So,
This petition.
in other words, Mr. Counsel, is Government of Bihar determining a citizenship of a person in Assam?
Actually, Lordship, this petition.
Ultimately, this is what you are saying impliedly.
No, Lordship, this,
Just a minute. One certified copy issued by Government of Bihar voters list. One residency proof certificate issued by Government of Bihar shows he is the father. So ultimately, a man who is suspectively a foreigner in Assam, his citizenship is determined by the Government of Bihar. And you are asking the court only to endorse it.
Lordship, the revenue receipt is also being of the Bihar, Lordship, Saran district. Actually, this petitioner is originally from Bihar, Lordship.
He may be from anywhere, but you have to prove your people from other states are also proving their citizenship before this court. Yes, Mr. Mahmood. Is Government of Bihar determining the citizen?
No.
Voters list also certified by Government of
Certified
Bihar.
by Election Commission.
And Government of Bihar also gives a residency proof certificate that so and so is the son of so and so.
Residency certificate they may issue, but voter list, that is the authority of the Election Commission. Or the electoral, local electoral. Next time, I need to.
Find out what would be done. We don't need to. Do you have control over the voters list in Bihar?
Well, give me instruction.
Do one thing, this next week, we'll take it up in the presence of Mr. Ali. This next week to be, next week on the issue. For having, on the issue whether the Government of Bihar can issue a certified copy of a voters list of a village located in the state of Bihar. And who had certified this page 43? Who is the issuing authority?
Government of Bihar.
Anchal Karyalay.
Actually, this,
So how a Anchal Karyalay of the Government of Bihar can say who is the son of whom? Do they maintain any public record? I don't think.
and
It's like our Gambacha secretary giving a certificate.
even this PRC certificate with the reference.
Oh, you're calling it PRC, but this is not PRC. Residency proof certificate. PRC is a concept under the law. It's a definite concept. And there are procedures to be followed while issuing PRC. This is only residency proof certificate. One Anchal, somebody deemed it appropriate that I issue a certificate, so and so is a son of so and so. How can you do it?
So Lordship, if he is from Bihar, Lordship.
Doesn't matter.
He-
Bihar is not
he-
something special that the general law is not applicable there.
the
Is
general law
Bihar a
is
state where law is not
they-
applicable?
They cannot take the benefit of 6A Lordship. 6A Citizenship Act Lordship, which is, if he is from Bihar Lordship, he cannot take the benefit of 6A Lordship.
No, the allegation is he is from the specified territory. Therefore-
Yes, yes, Lordship.
So now he is trying to prove that I am not a foreigner.
Hmm.
That is okay. The one in record, Nivas Praman Patra issued by some authority of Saran district in Bihar using a round seal of one inverted comma, Anchal Karyalay is relied upon to prove that Kamal Shah is the son of late Kitab Sai of village Sutihar in the state of Bihar. The petitioner may submit as to what is the evidentiary value of a certificate issued by a Anchal Karyalay for declaring a relationship that Kamal Shah is the son of Kitab Sai. I think we need to go by section 50 of the Evidence Act. Take up. Let's next week.
9th August. Item 7.
Lordship, kindly see the last order. Now, Lordship, kindly see page 42, Kavinnama of the petitioner.
So you are not relying on this thing. Evidence of Hasan Ali, you are not relying.
We are relying, Lordship, but.
You are relying.
Lordship,
Then answer this question.
Case 34, Lordship, actually, Lordship, in prose.
No, we have set up specific question for you. That page 34 evidence of Hasan Ali, that Samartha Bhanu is the daughter of Hasan Ali. But if you read the evidence of Hasan Ali, there is no statement that Samartha is the daughter of Hasan Ali. So we wanted your view on that. Please submit.
Actually, what happened, Lordship, this is the prose part, Lordship. Normally, what happened, Lordship? in
No, we
prose
are not
part-
on normal and abnormal. We are only on evidence.
Lordship, I am. submitting-
Evidence, if a man says that X is his daughter, there must be a specific statement by that man that Samartha Bhanu is my daughter. Then we examine further. But this man does not say that.
Lordship, in prose part, Lordship, normally, Lordship, in the learned AGP in tribunal, Lordship, never asked, Lordship. The questions which is normally put to the proceeding, they just answer the questions, Lordship. In prose part. this
So
is the-
who asked you not to give proper evidence? No one compelled you.
Actually, no, the question.
There is nothing called normal and abnormal. If you say the tribunal had prevented you from giving evidence, tell us, we'll pass the order.
Lordship, whatever our evidence, Lordship, we have submitted in the form of affidavit.
Mr.
In the-
Sarkar, your indirect answers will be of no use for you. If you want to give evidence to Hasan Ali that Samartha is the daughter, Hasan Ali must give direct evidence on that. Because evidence is not to be interpreted, evidence is only to be read. Number one. You are now saying that the tribunal is putting questions, and I can answer only that.
Yes.
That means you mean to say that the tribunal is preventing this man from giving proper evidence. If it is so, make a statement, we pass the order requiring the tribunal to take your evidence.
No, Lordship. Whatever
Again, no.
No, Lordship, kindly allow me to submit, Lordship. Whatever we want to state it in the form of affidavit, we have submitted. In the,
We have read that.
and
And
in the
Mr.
affidavit,
Counsel, we have read that. We did not find a statement that this witness had said that so and so is my daughter.
Lordship, this is the pros part.
Okay, we dismiss your petition. Third,
And in addition, Lordship,
Mr. Sarkar, we are giving you the opportunity to bring us material. If you are trying to unnecessarily justify a non-existent fact and trying to make the court believe that it's an existent fact.
in addition to this, Lordship, which we have annexed, Lordship, page 42, this is the Kabinama which was exhibited during the trial.
So in other words, you are abandoning the evidence of Hasan Ali. But you are saying, no, I am relying on, and the evidence does not disclose what you are trying to say. Mr. Sarkar, we have no business to keep on asking you. If you want, you give evidence. If you don't want, we dismiss your petition. It's up to you to choose.
Record may be called for, Lordship, in the
Why should
record,
we call-
Lordship,
why should we
in
call
the
for that?
evidence, what we have submitted, Lordship, in the form of.
Mr. Sarkar, you have annexed the evidence in the affidavit petition, and we have read it.
Lordship, this is the pros part, Lordship, we have done.
I do Close not know the part.
Contents of the evidence. Which I have.
Where is the rule that call for the record first, look into my case? There's nothing like that. Records are called for only to verify your case. What is your case? First, you have to establish your case. Only then, if necessary, the court will call for the record and verify it. Writ petition, burden is on the petitioner to make out his case. Without making out, you cannot throw it on the court to say that get the record and verify it yourself, number one. Nor you can shift the burden to the respondents. Read the law first, then come back.
Kabinama may be considered, Lordship, which,
Again, we are repeating the same
Yes.
question. Are you abandoning the evidence of Hasan Ali? When you ask a specific question, you said no. Adjourned. Do whatever you do. But next time come ready, otherwise we are.
Item 8,
It's a mind to his statement.
My lord, may kindly see the last order. Actually, my lord, there was some mistake in
Petition
naming
to
the
examine
address.
the inconsistency in the DW2 Sorab Ali is of village Khanatu, whereas Reliance is based on the voters in of village Nongal Dhua, which contains the name of Suhab Ali.
Actually, my lord, kindly see page 66. Here, the address of my father is wrongly written by the law, page 66. Here, Sohrab Ali, Mahmuda Khatun, so wife of Abdul Ghaffur, daughter of Sohrab Ali, village Khanatu. It is the address of my husband. Khanatu is
Just a
the,
minute. This is evidence of Surab Ali. Who is Surab Ali?
Sohrab Ali is my father.
Father,
Yes.
son of Abid Ali, village Khanatu.
Yes. Khanatu, it is written, actually it is, Khanatu is the address of the husband,
Husband of Surab Ali.
husband of Mahmuda Khatun.
Huh?
Now, Lordship,
After his son-in-law.
son-in-law, yes. Now, it is
Just
rightly
to,
written,
you file an
it is
affidavit.
rightly written in page 71.
File an affidavit clarifying. that.
Sohrab Ali, it is rightly written, page 71, Sohrab Ali, village Nangalthwa,
Nongal Dhua.
Nangalthwa. And all the photographs are of
This is
Nangalthwa.
Mahmood Ali. Evidence of DW2.
Now, all the
No,
voter lists,
Just a minute. Page 71 is the evidence of
Sohrab Ali,
Sorab Ali.
it is Nangalthwa,
Page 66 is the evidence of
of Mahmuda Khatun.
Huh?
Mahmuda.
It's
So
not
that-
Suravali.
Not Soravali. So that has created some
So
confusion.
DW2 is Mahmuda.
No, DW2 is Soravali. DW1 is Mahmuda.
Then what have you written in page 66? You correct it.
That is, I said that is wrongly, but record.
No,
voter list-
Mr. Mahmood, if this is a wrong translation, but
Wrong translation, so far this address is concerned, otherwise.
you correct it, correct page 66.
Yes, yes.
We understand what you are saying. That page 66 actually ought to have been Mahmuda
Yes,
and it ought to have been DW1.
DW1.
But it is wrongly typed as DW2 and also Suravali.
Correct.
Cut paste while in the computer. You correct it.
Well, all the voter lists are of Nagaldua.
Understand, you correct it.
Next week, any day.
Mr. M.U. Mahmood, Land Counsel for the petitioner, states that at page 66, there is a wrong typing to the extent that it ought to have been the evidence of Mahmuda Khatun, wife of Abdul
No, no,
Ghaffur,
it-
resident
it-
of village Khanatu,
My lord, but
as DW1.
it is the evidence of Soravali, but address is wrongly written.
Then whose evidence is page number 71 then?
It is Soravali's sheaf, and that was cross. Cross, it is rightly written.
Okay. 64 is Soravali's
66
In
is
chief.
Soravali, but with wrong address,
in chief
in sheaf. But in
and
cross,
71 Soravali in cross.
71 in
Ah,
cross.
but you have wrongly typed out.
No, it is from the lower court, it has come like that.
Acha, court had wrongly recorded.
Not court, it is written by the lawyer. Page 73, kindly say, this is the translation, this is the English type copy. It is wrongly
That-
typed by the, kindly say page 73, it will be
Mr.
clear.
Mahmood, we understand. The lawyer had given a wrong address
Wrong address.
and it has already passed to the tribunal.
And-
Now we are in the writ court. What can we do?
And we are also bound to translate accordingly. Page 73 would be clear.
Yes, 58 Mahmood. Okay, DW1. Where is the handwritten of page 66?
73,
73.
3. His address is written right side, Khonatu,
Hmm.
but correctly written at page 78. That is the cross.
I got it. Yeah, they can get correct for it. apa hasil लिखा है কি বললো ভাই কোথায় দিও নেই How do you send it back? You file a petition in the tribunal and get it corrected. That's the only way out. In writ code, we cannot correct the records.
We are also bound by the translation because we have to write.
No, I
as it is
understand.
written.
No, I understand what you say. Heard Mr. M.U. Mahmood Line Council of Petition. This writ petition is instituted being agreed by the opinion dated. Where is the order of the tribunal?
Or in implement order, my lord, page
Page 91, where the opinion
91.
dated 27/2/2023 of the Foreigners Tribunal number 3 Nogao in FT case number D 850/2016. Without going into the merits of the claims made in the writ petition, what is being pointed out, Mr. M.U. Mahmood, then counsel for the petitioner, is that in the evidence on affidavit, is it evidence on affidavit?
yes,
On affidavit submitted by the proceedee before the tribunal,
no, TW2.
is by the proceedee submitted by the proceedee before the tribunal, comma. DW2 Sorab Ali, son of late Abed Ali,
Yes.
is described to be a resident of village Khanatuk, whereas actually it ought to have been a resident of village Nangaldhua. It is stated that the inadvertent mistake was of the lawyer who had assisted the proceeding in preparing the evidence on affidavit. Accordingly, a request is made that the address of DW2 be corrected. As the evidence on record as the evidence on affidavit is already a part of the record of the learned tribunal, in the writ proceeding, it would be inappropriate to correct any record. In the circumstance, matter remanded back to the tribunal to enable the petitioner to file appropriate application for correction of the name of the village of DW2. And upon such application being made, the tribunal may pass any order as advisable in law.
I may not.
We are not expressing any view on the issues raised in this, other issues raised in this petition, nor on the acceptability, the veracity of the opinion dated so and so of the tribunal. If the tribunal corrects the address of DW2, liberty would remain with the petitioner to approach this court again if so advised.
Till such correction is made, no coercive measure may be taken against me pursuant to the order.
Till such application is filed before the tribunal or up to a period of 2 weeks from today, no coercive action be taken to the petitioner, and in the event of any application filed, it would be for the tribunal to pass any appropriate order.
Highly obliged.
Till such or 2 weeks, whichever is earlier.
Item 9.
Problem हो रहा है. Yes, item 9.
No.
Leela Biswas, father,
Father is Mahesh Biswas.
page
Lordship.
number.
Page number 48, Lordship.
Nineteen 66, Mahesh,
Mahesh.
son of Bodor, Gaon, Ghoramara,
Ghoramara Janpar.
Janpar.
Lordship,
What is Jan?
Ghoramara Janpar.
What is Jan?
Jan means tree.
Life.
Life.
So how can there be a bank of a life? Par means bank. Muslim.
It's there in Kamrup district. also.
No. If Jan is life,
Yes.
then Janpar is the bank. How can there be a bank of a life?
It's named like that.
Jan is a stream.
Stream.
So stream may have a bank like a river.
Yes, it's stream. I have been there. It's a stream is there.
Yes, Mahesh. Now,
Mahesh.
which document will show Mahesh is the father?
Father, one document is there at page 58 and other
No,
documents
go
are
one by one.
Yes,
Page
Lordship.
58. What is it?
school certificate, Lordship, but it was not duly proved.
And next one,
Next one also is not proved.
then
Panchayat certificate. Yes,
dismiss.
Lordship.
The petitioner relies upon two unproved documents in a
Yes.
detailed evidence to prove that
Sister has. they
That
don't
she is
have
the
brothers,
daughter
but
of so and
Sister
so.
has adduced evidence.
in view of inadequate evidence, writ petition dismissed.
Lordship, two sisters has adduced evidence, Lordship.
How do you know they are sisters?
Yes, no proof, documentary proof is not there.
No, any material. We are not only on document. Any
Yes,
material which may show that. they are sisters.
I can bring in more evidence which, if
John,
otherwise, Lordship, the school
or
certificate,
else Where is Madam Deka going, Bijaka? The admission register in origin of
Ghoramara Janpar Primary School.
Ghoramara Janpar Primary School be produced before the court for its examination. In respect of the school certificate at page 58 of the writ petition, a copy of this order be made available to NSB Deccan and Council for the Education Department. List. How long will it take? Next week or one more?
It's near Kamrup district, Kamrup Metro district.
Whether they did your extension.
Maybe because
I
it's
think
nearby.
that's the only way out.
Yes, only way out.
Item 10,
Can-
May I please your lordship?
Yes,
Voter list of 1965 lordship
Page number?
page number 18. Grandfather name
65.
Jamat Ali.
Gao Losonbari.
Village-
Jamat Ali is the father or grandfather?
Grandfather lordship.
Grandfather.
Grandmother is Matumjan lordship
Motumjan
and
grandmother.
Abdul Barik is his
And-
father.
Abdul Barik father, he is here. Father.
Abdul Gofur is his uncle lordship and
Let it be. Now,
son-
which material show that Rafiq is the son of Barik?
1997 voter
Page
list
number?
lordship, page number 28. Photo. This voter list is photocopy lordship,
So, okay, what is this? 1997
97.
village, Losanbari.
Serial number 341.
Village Losanbari, Losanbari. Serial
41 lordship.
341, Barik, son of Rafiq, son of Barik.
Yes, lordship.
Yes, Mr. Sharma.
Yeah, lordship. Notice me.
To petitioner relies upon a vote in 1965 of village Losanbari, which contains a name of Jamat Ali at serial 168, Matum Jan, wife of Jamat at serial 169, and A Barik, son of Jamat at serial 170. Jamat Ali, son of Khalid Sheikh. Also relies upon a vote 1997 of village Losanbari, which contains a name of A Rafiq, son of A Barik at serial 341.
341.
Rafiq died in the meantime or is still alive. Which also contains the name of A Barik, son of Jamat at serial 338. As the name of A Barik and A Rafiq appears together in the voters list of 1997, and the name of A Barik, a son of Jamat, appears in the vote in 1965 of village Losanbari, both of Losanbari. Petitioner claims burden and discharge privacy.
I will.
Arvata? Notice sent. Arvata. Yes, Mr. Mujumdar.
you're right.
You have something?
No, office may rise.
No, came for some
No,
matter. Happy Saturday.
Yes.